Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel code VTKSL. So in previous video we just completed the group by clause, right? So this is a continuation of this. So in group by clause we already discussed ascending and descending order, how to use ascending and descending order with the group by clause. So now let's proceed for the having clause. So how to use having clause? How sorry to use having clause. So having clause just working like a where clause. Like where clause filter specific record from the table, same as it is here. But having clause always work with the aggregate function with the group by clause. Please point to be noted. Always make sure. This is really very important question for the interview. Interviewer can discuss where we can use group by clause, where we can use having clause, right? Can we use where clause with the having clause? Can we use the where clause with the group by clause? If you're not able to use, then why? Right? So you have to mention the proper reason there. Okay. So having clause we can use with the only aggregate function using group by clause. That's it. So how to use having clause? Let's see. So I will place the same data here like we use this. Okay. So again product ID you will keep it same, a group by employee name. Now here I will simply put it here having count, because I've already used the count. You can use some max, mean, any specific one of the aggregate function. Here like a product ID, right? Selected. So I want to check product ID like less than 2, less than 1, any specific one you can use. Less than what? This is aggregate function. This is operator. Which operator? Logical operator, relational operator, right? Relational, as you know, less than, greater than. Okay. So this is your relational operator selected. There is no one less than 2. Suppose I given 1, no one. Suppose I given greater than 2. Let's check it back. So see, greater than 2 who? The 4 one is available. What is the product name? 4. Laptop. Right? So this way you can use the having clause. If range will find out, it will display here. So see, the fetch the data, I find out in the range, same as where clause also working. So in where clause, what you does basically, there is a table. I want to search who employee name, who employee ID is 5, 10, 20, 30, any specific one. So that specific ID was filtered there. Remember, like suppose here we writing like this, select asterisk from product details, right? Where say product ID equals to 1 or 2, any specific one. Run this. So among of all the tables, see, just run the first all the tables, see. So if you want to filter, you are able to see the specific record from the table, right? You can see I just fetch. Suppose I want to see who ID is 3, 4, any specific one, select and run this. So get it here, right? So in where clause also filter specific record, same as it is having clause, but I can't use the where clause with the group by clause. Okay, so now let's proceed. I just mentioned here also, let me write it. Like we can't use where clause with aggregate function, you can say aggregate function using group by. Okay, aggregate function. So we can use having clause. I mention here we can use having clause with aggregate function or group by clause. Okay, so let's see the example here also. So I will take it same here. I just remove this. I just copy and simple place here. And group by, take it here simple, I want to mention like where, like product ID, where you can use count, right? Product ID greater than 2, whatever you want. See, so once I write the where clause here, once I put it, you can see guys, you are able to see the error. F5, you can see incorrect syntax near keyword where clause. Okay. So this is a clarification about the having clause and where clause, where you can use the having clause, where you can use the group by clause. Like I given the example of the where clause also. So where clause always work with the tables, normal table. Where clause we cannot use with the aggregate function. Okay. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much and see you next one.